Well, I guess it's vlog time. I am actually heading up to Canada, but this is kind of a first for me because in the last 6 years I've been doing this, my wife has literally never traveled with me anywhere, and there she is. We are actually leaving the house right now to go up to Linus Tech Expo because, let's face it, I'm actually the star this year. Okay, so we are in Vancouver. Technically, we're in Richmond. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head to the hotel, and then we are going to actually do a little tour of Linus' studio tomorrow. Of course, I've been there, Scrapyard Wars and all that stuff. Season 5, I believe it was season 5 we did. Champion, right here, don't forget. And she's never seen the studio, so she's gonna get a look at what a real YouTube operation looks like.
What you wanna be when you grow up?
You mean when I grow down, because I'm way taller than...
Well, yeah, I guess.
Okay, so here we are. They have not opened the gate yet. Linus' Lambo is obviously here. There it is right there, all nice and pink. And yeah, this is a much bigger space than I thought it was gonna be. So it looks like we have mini putt. There's a bunch of different like PC builds and stuff here. Obviously there's a bunch of vendors here. We've got Alpha Cool right over there, a company that obviously I know and have used quite a bit. How's it feel? How's it feel to have the camera in your face?
I've had the camera in my face before.
Yeah, but not as much as everyone else.
It's honestly kind of underwhelming. I feel like, well,
It's
I feel like
it's not
I'm
red,
underwhelming.
Right? Do you feel like you're red material?
No, I feel like I'm letting everyone down already. Did I write this on the wrong side? Is there a right side? Okay, so this is design your own t-shirt, win prizes. I think maybe you get to win a Titan XP or maybe just the box. Obviously it's not in there. Crayola markers and crayons. Yeah. I found Luke.
Hello.
And so we decided that at some point today I have to try the case toss, which is a shot put overhand style or free throw, right?
Oh yeah.
So
have you done shot put?
No, but I've done a crap ton of tricep workouts, so
yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. It looks like Linus is doing some sort of AV test up there. This is main stage grandstands. The guy himself is up there. And then obviously main stage is back here behind me. But the line to get in right now is literally going all the way around like the entire, I don't want to call it convention center. This is the Olympic Oval, the Richmond Olympic Oval. It's pretty big. But there is over 1,000 people in line already. You can't see them because they're outside that wall and they go all the way down to the other end of the building, way down there, and then like wrap around it. These are the very first people in line who are obviously the most dedicated of all fans. He didn't look that happy though. He was just kind of like, I'm here. Okay, so we're at the Alpha Cool area. Obviously we got BS Mods here and they have got a hands-on tubing bending station. So you guys can actually get hands-on and feel what it's like to bend your tube and check out some of the hardline tubing if you want. Actually made a spoiler for the Lambo. How long you did that in a day?
Yeah, two evenings.
2 evenings he made this. So he made this spoiler to go on to the Lambo because apparently what you can do with the Lambo this year is take advantage of the glitter paint and sparkles and all kinds of stuff and decorate the car. And I will tell you firsthand, having been here now with Linus for a couple of days, he drives that thing everywhere. That's his daily driver.
All right, thanks for coming.
Okay, so we're actually backstage right now. I just spent like the last 2 hours signing autographs and taking pictures with a huge line that I was not expecting. I did the case toss thing. I don't think we got any video of that. Turned around, and then there was a massive line of people that wanted to meet me, which is freaking fantastic because I've never been to an event where literally most of the people here probably know who I am, and it was just like unexpected and very different for me. But right now I'm backstage and Linus is doing something, so I think I'm gonna poke the camera through the little hole here and just sort of troll him a little bit. So let's see how that goes.
We've actually hired a merch manager. He's the guy who worked on the design here for the LTX shirt. What do you guys think of it? He did the lanyard, he did the tech link pins. Yeah, so basically most of the stuff that we've done over the last little bit, I believe
He doesn't see us like at all. He doesn't see us.
Also done by him as well. So, what is it? Sorry, you almost got caught with crossfire there. I know it wasn't you. Was it her? That was also more full than I thought. So yeah, we go. Yeah, so we'd love to do something like that at some point.
Is he just doing like a Q&A?
Why did I invite you here? Actually, I know why. Guys, JayzTwoCents?
Who did that? I did.
So Linus is getting ready to give away a graphics card right now. I have no idea what kind, but obviously everyone is like losing their minds right now, I guess. I don't know. Now he's assaulting people with hats. Okay. So he's getting ready to give away that graphics card, but what he wanted, the question he's going to ask is, what is my most viewed video? So we had to confirm which one it was. And it was like, I was about to be wrong. It was actually a different video than I thought. So
I will not be calling on anyone who doesn't have their hands up. You don't hold them way up, you're going to get tired. Just like, not like this time. Like this time. And you can see both of your hands. And then I want to see nice jazz hands. That's how I'm going to be.
Hello.
I feel inadequate.
Don't.
Okay. You need to know the answer to 2 questions. What is the most popular of all time JayzTwoCents video? Hands up! Anyone who drops their hands will not get a chance. No, it is not his father-daughter build.
That was a good guess, though.
I want to see. Jazz hands are not up here. Jazz hands are down here. Also, they don't go like this. Like this. Like this. Like this.
I want it. I want it.
I like you in the fedora. Okay. Keep your hands up. Hands up. The most viewed video on JayzTwoCents channel of all time.
No pressure. No
No one watches
pressure.
your videos, Jay.
Actually, it's not. And the video is going to
What's your most popular video?
cheating.
Dang it!
You're right there in the black thing. The most viewed video on JayzTwoCents channel of all time. Is it Post Malone build part 1?
It is not.
It is not. I'm very sorry. It's an old video. Whoa, no, I want to the other side. I want the other side. This side has a chance. This side has a chance. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, I'm rushing you. Terry Crews build, good guess, no.
It was until literally like last week.
Post Malone's final build, no. That probably will be the answer, but that hasn't
It's
been
not
done
final yet.
So,
Almost though.
Post Malone build now.
I'll accept that.
You'll accept that. And anyone who wants to qualify better keep those hands up. What is the most viewed video of all time on Linus Tech?
I know this one.
Unboxing car truck.
Well, you just gave him a JayzTwoCents. You owe him lunch.
Okay, to be fair, the #1 most viewed video on my channel was the Post Malone turned PC Gamer, which was the interview where we announced our collaboration. So that's why I went ahead and took that answer. Also, too, apparently Linus is about to get trolled on stage with some unboxing that he or his wife and his team have come up with. So I have no idea what it is. So I will share that with you.
So I got you something.
Is it a new car? Because I kind of need one of those.
It was expensive, and I really wasn't sure if I was going to get it for you or not. But after talking to Nick and a few other people, I decided I was going to. It actually took us a lot of effort to get it to LTX, to get it in time for LTX.
Nick is a bad influence.
And I hope I picked the right color. I hope I picked the right specs. I really hope you like it. Okay? So, can you guys open the windows and drive it in?
Wow. Oh, no way! This thing's got some kick! Okay.
Clear path. Clear path.
All right, so that was a little crazy. I started at 10 o'clock with the line of people signing autographs and signing stuff and talking to people and, whoa, lighting's bad. It's now 4:06 p.m. and with the exception of when I jumped up on stage with Linus without his permission and had some fun there, I've been doing nothing but fan meet and greets and stuff, and it is completely mind-boggling how many people have expressed their admiration and appreciation for what I do. So if you were one of those people, a huge thank you. And if you're one of those people that would like to express that and you weren't able to come, it's the case toss you guys are hearing. Yeah, you guys should get to throw cases here inside of LTX Expo to see who can throw it farther. But I just want to give a huge thank you to you guys for watching this content and making it fun and exciting. And I'm gonna go find some water now because I literally have the driest throat and vocal cords ever. All right, it's Jay versus Jerry. It's a mini putt. Remember, be the ball. Put it in its home.
Whoa, you're really.
Oh, you're really kind of
That is
screwed
not a
there.
good
I
spot
think
to
I'm
be.
in a better spot than you are on that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm here, and he's trapped in there. Yay! Okay, we're out of the bad area now.
He is. Oh, that counts. 2 strokes, 3 strokes, 4 strokes. Here we go, ready? Oh.
That was easy.
Nice.
Jay sucks.
Oh,
come on.
Go
One.
back down.
That's two.
still
Oh, you're in a better spot than me, though. It's going to take me 2 strokes to get out of this.
No.
Oh!
Sometimes the finesse is, key.
Jerry, use your other hand.
Finesse. Like, you know what finesse is. That was too much finesse, Jay.
Well, I hit the top of the ball.
Has anybody been tracking the strokes here?
The strokes we're playing are the ones we're having.
Yeah, I know, right?
So we are literally doing the prize stuff right now up on stage. I have no idea what he has in charge for or wants me to do, but he called me up here. So I figured we would film this at least. There's a lot of people here though.
I think Jay's drawing for the Core i9 7900X!
Oh, okay, so that's what we're giving away.
10 core overclockable processor right there, baby. You gonna pick a lucky winner?
All right, let's do it.
Do it.
323-5659.
323-5659. Are you in the house? Let's have a look here. I want to see that. Oh, don't drop that. That's a $1,000 ticket now. You got a golden ticket. Okay. 5659. That's it. That's all.
All right. Free 7900X. All right. Thank you. All right. This is where we're going to end the vlog. It's time to go. Great LTX this year. I think the team has done a fantastic job as they continue to bust ass to clean this mess up. So guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share LTX with you. I legit, honestly, had more fun at LTX than I have at Computex or CES combined. As long as they continue to do this, I will continue to show up. So we're gonna go, guys. Thanks for watching. Brandon, awesome LTX this year.
Yeah, LTX 2018.
We will be back. I said this was more fun than CES or Computex combined.
That's wonderful. I'm glad you had fun there.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to Linus Tech Tips if you aren't already. If you're not, who are you? Why are you not subscribed already? And subscribe to me if you followed through Linus Tech Tips. With that said, guys, time to go. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you.